Have you been eating perfectly right, exercising consistently, but still find yourself staring at the scale as your weight inexplicably creeps up? Or maybe your periods are constantly delayed, incredibly unpredictable, or skipping months at a time, leaving you stressed and confused. If you're dealing with stubborn weight gain, irregular cycles, or sudden acne breakouts, take a deep breath. You are not alone, and it's not your fault. Today, we are breaking down a highly common yet widely misunderstood condition affecting millions of women globally: PCOS, or Polycystic Ovary Syndrome. Let's dive right into what it is. Simply put, PCOS is a hormonal disorder. In a regular menstrual cycle, your ovaries release a healthy egg every single month. But in women with PCOS, the hormonal symphony is out of tune. The body starts producing higher than normal levels of male hormones, which are medically known as androgens. Because of this chemical imbalance, the eggs might not develop as they should, or they might fail to release during ovulation. Instead, they form very small, fluid-filled sacs on the edges of the ovaries. These tiny cysts are the polycystic part of the name, and this exact process is what throws your entire menstrual cycle completely off track. So, how do you know if PCOS is the culprit behind your struggles? Let's look at the biggest red flags. The first is sudden, stubborn weight gain, specifically settling around your belly. Next is what happens to your skin. Because of those extra male hormones, many women experience severe, painful acne, most often clustering along the jawline and chin. But the symptoms don't stop there. You might also notice excess facial or body hair growth, thinning hair on your scalp, or even darkened patches of skin. These darkened patches typically show up around the neck or under the arms. If you are nodding along to several of these symptoms right now, PCOS might be exactly what you're fighting. You're probably wondering, why is my body doing this? While the exact single cause of PCOS isn't fully understood by science just yet, we do know that a massive piece of the puzzle is something called insulin resistance. This is the hidden engine driving many of your symptoms. Here's how it works without the complex medical jargon. Insulin is the hormone that acts like a key, unlocking your cells so they can use sugar from your food for energy. When you are insulin resistant, your body's locks are jammed. The cells don't respond normally. As a result, the sugar stays locked out and your blood sugar levels start to rise. Panicking, your body thinks, we need more keys, and produces massive amounts of extra insulin to try and force the blood sugar down. This is where the trap snaps shut. This abnormally high level of insulin directly triggers your ovaries to produce even more of those male hormones. This leads right back to the weight gain and the missed periods. It is a highly frustrating, vicious cycle. But take a deep breath, because here's the good news. While there is technically no cure for PCOS, it is absolutely 100% manageable. You can take your life back. First and foremost, lifestyle changes are your absolute best friend. Modifying your diet to drastically reduce refined sugars and simple carbohydrates can quickly improve that insulin resistance. Combine better eating with just 30 minutes of daily exercise, even a brisk walk, and you can make a massive physiological difference in how your body processes sugar. In fact, medical studies show that losing just 5 to 10% of your body weight can be enough to kickstart your body and help regulate your menstrual cycle all over again. Most importantly, you need to consult a healthcare professional or a gynecologist. Do not try to diagnose or treat this entirely on your own through internet searches. A doctor can give you a proper, definitive diagnosis. They might prescribe specific medications to help regulate your periods, manage those stubborn insulin levels, or assist with fertility if you are trying to get pregnant. PCOS can be an incredibly frustrating and lonely journey, but understanding the biology of what is happening inside your body is the very first step to taking back control of your health. If you are experiencing these symptoms, please don't ignore them and don't brush them off as normal. Reach out to your doctor this week. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for